Hi dear friends, I'm so glad to be back. It's time to explore some fascinating places and I welcome you all to my channel, George the Explorer. Without further ado, today we're going to explore one of the most popular and picturesque tourist spots in Maharashtra, India, Lonavala, Lonavala, Lonavala. I'm already in Lonavala. Just a while ago I got down at the Lonavala railway station and kind of walking around the station premises. And I find that the station premises itself is so beautiful, so gorgeous, and I kind of dumbstruck seeing the beauty of this place. Yes, dear friends. And I want to show you the station premises before heading to the some of the popular tourist spots here in Lonavala. This is the Lonavala railway station. The time is 11:36. It's a Lonavala. It's a very beautiful and well-maintained station with all facilities. This is Lonavala station, railway station. Yes, this is Lonavala railway station. It's a very beautiful station with so many gardens. The beautiful station with gardens all around. Yes, there are several gardens around the station area. So you can see this Madhuban Udyan. It's a garden in front of the railway station. It's a very beautiful garden. There's one other garden out there. There's one another garden. It's a very beautiful and well-maintained railway station here in Lonavala. There's a high low Lonavala. It's a selfie point. People are taking selfies here. And that is the rickshaw stand, the taxi rickshaw. Rickshaws are available here. And this one another garden area. Isn't it so beautiful? It's a beautiful place. Very beautiful railway station. There's a very flowering plants and all this, you know. There's all facilities they have for people to sit and enjoy their time around. The station premises itself so beautiful, and I love to spend some time here, 5-10 minutes before heading to the other places and see how beautiful, how well maintained the station premises is. The station premises are so well maintained, and you can see some beautiful villas here. As I belong to the railways, not the private villa. Okay, as I belong to the railway. The station is, of course, very well maintained. Amazing, isn't it? Very beautiful. One of the best stations I have seen in Maharashtra. Garden areas. Wow, so beautiful. I didn't expect this in Lonavala. This is the first time visiting. This is my first visit. I have never been to this place before, and this is my first visit. And this is the parking area for two-wheelers. It's a parking area, parking space. Pay and park. It's already mentioned here. Central pay and parking. 2 and 4 wheelers. Lonavala Station West. Okay. Oh my goodness, this is one another garden with beautiful yellow flowers. This I think this is a marigold. I love marigold. This is beautiful. And that's one of my favorite flowers. Marigold is my favorite flower. And see, the garden is so beautiful. There are several gardens around the station. Amazing, isn't it? And let's go there and see. And here is one ground, sports ground, just bang opposite of the station, and you can see people some kind of cricket match is going on currently. And it's a beautiful ground, sports ground. And you can also see replicas of trains. It's a replica of train. It's a replica of train. Wow, so beautiful. And the railway station itself is so beautiful. And now it's time to explore the other areas here. Because as I told you, this is one of the most popular picnic spots and weekend getaways for the city dwellers of Mumbai. Yes, people love to visit this place because it's not too far away from the city. It's only 85 to 90 kilometers approximately. Because one another reason why people love to visit this place is, of course, it's wonderful weather and air quality. As soon as you reach the place, you can literally feel the fresh air filling in your lungs. I can feel that right now. It's absolutely wonderful weather and air quality. That's one other reason, of course. And let's go walk around this area before heading to other place. Okay. See the beautiful garden areas all around the station, and all these are structures, very old, probably colonial era structures. Now belong to the railways, Indian Railways. I mean, this Lonavala railway officials, the guest house, and all this some officers kind of things here right now. This very old villas belong to the colonial period. Now houses various offices of railways. Another structure villa here, very old villa, and the pathway is absolutely beautiful. This Central Railway Health Unit, Lonavala, this structure. Because of course I love to explore places like this occasionally, because I kind of fed up exploring only cities, marketplaces, and shopping areas always. So we need some break, right? So that's why I'm here today. And you can see several trees like this. These are almond trees, and that's found everywhere in Maharashtra. And there's another structure, beautiful villa. There are several such villas like this, and all these are probably belonging to railways. This is of course a mango tree. So, this is mango tree, and the various trees I don't know, I can't name. All these are various types of trees, and the flora and fauna is absolutely fantastic here. The reason why why Lonavala is so beautiful and pollution free is because it's part of Sahyadri mountain range. Yes, Lonavala is located in the Sahyadri mountain range. That's why it's so beautiful and pollution free. The Sahyadri mountain range is popular for its scenic and picturesque locations. And now it's time to explore some other areas here. So let's go. Before heading for other places, I think I need to have some food. I set out early morning, 5:30 a.m. Since I haven't eaten anything, and now it's time to eat something. Now the time is 1:15. So let's go eat something first of all, and then we'll be heading to some beautiful locations in Lonavala. Okay. Here too you can see kind of residential buildings here. I think recently developed residential buildings. This is a small marketplace very next to the Lonavala railway station. Here you can see small tiny restaurants and dabas and all these things. I think that side I can see several restaurants. So I'm heading to that place. All these are restaurants and bakeries and several other shops. This is a small market area very next to the Lonavala railway station, only 5 minutes walking distance from the station. And I'd like to see what's available to eat here. There's one restaurant over there. Let's go. I found this restaurant here and a small restaurant here. Let's see. This is my lunch for today. Chapati and chana masala. So simple and good. Also had chana masala and chapati. Chana means chickpea. I like chickpea so much. So chickpea masala and chapati. Very simple and healthy. I don't like so much non-vegetarian food, non-vegetarian fried food. I don't like. So this is healthy and I like chickpea. So next we are headed to some other place. I'll tell you where. Because this Lonavala is also popular for chikkis. Chikki. Chikki is a kind of sweet made from jaggery and nuts, basically peanuts. And this Lonavala is popular for chikki production. And there are hundreds of shops selling chikkis in Lonavala. I'll show you that. You can see beautiful villas around here. There are several villas in Lonavala. It's a very popular weekend destination, necessarily. There are several villas like this. You can see one of the shops here. This is Chikki and Fudge. You can see there are hundreds of Chikki shops here. This is one of them. And I'll show you other. This is the Chikki. So this is Chikki. And the shop's full of chikkis, various types of chikkis here. So Lonavala has hundreds of breathtaking places to explore. It's not possible in one day. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to explore certain places which are 3 to 4 kilometers distance from the station. And I'll tell you which places after reaching there. So stay tuned. Now I've got a car, share cab from the railway station premises. So I had to wait a long time because the driver was waiting for other passengers to come. So and plus this is Lonavala is around 64 kilometers from Pune and 95 kilometers from Mumbai. This charming getaway is a favorite for nature lovers and history enthusiasts alike. And friends, on the way I find several shops named Maganlal. And when I asked somebody, he said Maganlal is a brand name. The name Maganlal has become almost synonymous with the chikki in Lonavala. It's totally chikki is a popular sweet in Lonavala. Not only Lonavala, it's all over Maharashtra. And you'll find numerous shops under this name, Maganlal, all over the town. And first now let's have a glimpse into Lonavala's history. Lonavala, along with its twin hill station, Khandala, was brought into prominence by Lord Elphinstone, the then governor of Bombay, in 1871. However, its history dates back much earlier, with evidence suggesting it was part of the Yadava dynasty and later under the Maratha Empire. The name Lonavala is derived from the Sanskrit term Lonavali, which refers to the many caves found in and around the region. There are several forts, caves, lakes and dams in Lonavala region. But today we're going to explore a couple of very beautiful viewpoints. That's all we can do today. I know it takes a lot of time, hell of a time to explore the entire region of Lonavala. Now friends, I met this absolutely stunning, absolutely gorgeous viewpoint in Lonavala called Rajmachi Point. This is Rajmachi Point in Lonavala. It's a Rajmachi Point in Lonavala. And what is the meaning of this name? I don't know. It's absolutely gorgeous. And you can see several vendors selling several snacks and all these puttas and fruits and so many varieties of things, food items here. And you can see one camel. If you are interested in camel ride, there's a camel over there. Wonderful. There are several stalls like this selling varieties of items, food items and drinks, soft drinks. This is Pune highway, I think Lonavala Pune highway, and there are several apartments and not apartments but villas and resorts in this area. It's absolutely gorgeous location. It's called Khandala, Lonavala, Khandala. All these places are similar, not different. It's around 6 kilometers away from the Lonavala railway station. This viewpoint. Okay, here's a beautiful small garden. I think this is the right viewpoint, not the earlier one. Okay, let's go. This is the viewpoint. The view from here is absolutely fantastic. I think as the people are, I can see several people here, and some small garden with viewpoint. I suppose this is the right viewpoint. From here I get to see the fantastic view of the Western Ghats, Sahyadri range. Okay, view from here is absolutely fantastic, absolutely gorgeous. My goodness, I have no words to express how beautiful it is. And this is the right viewpoint with this small garden for the people to sit and relax, and there are several benches to sit. And this place is called Rajmachi Point in Lonavala. You can see several monkeys here. Okay, this is Rajmachi Garden and viewpoint. Rajmachi Garden and viewpoint. This location is called Rajmachi Garden and viewpoint. Absolutely stunning view from here.
रिटर्न करो वीडियो कॉल उठाओ हेलो
So this highway is not Lonavala Pune highway, but Old Mumbai Pune highway. Old Mumbai Pune highway. This highway is called Old Mumbai Pune highway, not Lonavala Pune highway. And now it's time to leave this place. We're gonna have some tea from here. This is called Kullad tea. Kullad is for Plus, this Lonavala is famous for its breathtaking landscapes featuring numerous waterfalls, lakes, and Buddhist caves, centuries-old Buddhist caves. All this takes time. It's not easy to explore the entire area, all these places, in one day time. So you need to have enough time. So if you want to see more of Lonavala, I'll make it some other day. Please comment me in the comment box. Okay. Now we are heading to one another viewpoint here. I don't know the name. Let's go there. It's very close by. And from this viewpoint is called Sunset Point, Khandala Sunset Point. It's really absolutely gorgeous. The sun is setting on the horizons right now. There are several people sitting and watching, enjoying the sunset. And I think it's a normal routine here. People staying nearby areas come to this location to watch the sunset. Now it's time to leave this place. Absolutely gorgeous place. Promising to come back some other day. Come back soon. And now I head into Khopoli railway station, Khopoli, Khopoli railway station instead of Lonavala. Khopoli, I want to show you a little bit of Khopoli too. That's right. And Khopoli, the specialty of Khopoli is that Khopoli is the last suburban railway station on the central line of Mumbai Suburban Railway. Beyond Khopoli, there is no local trains are available. Beyond Khopoli, only long distance trains are available, not local trains. That's why Khopoli is kind of terminus, and beyond Khopoli, no local trains. And finally made to Khopoli railway station. This is our station. This is the marketplace next to the Khopoli railway station. See, all these are fruit vendors. All these are fruit vendors on both sides of this pathway. There are so many varieties of fruits here. These are fruit vendors. 90% of these vendors selling various types of fruits is watermelon, and there are so many varieties of fruits here on both sides. See, these are various colorful, various fruits. So beautiful. This Khopoli market is so vibrant and bustling. You can see the crowd everywhere. It's so crowded. That's all for today. I'm signing off. I see you next Friday, 5:45 p.m. Till then, goodbye. Thank you so much. Thanks so much for your support. Watch my video every Friday, 5:45 p.m. Indian time. Okay, thank you.